Across Britain, centuries of tradition have helped shape our national identity, from time-honoured customs to extraordinary events that continue to this day. These traditions aren't just familiar, they're wonderfully weird, irresistibly British, full of charm, character and a dash of eccentricity that makes our nation truly unique. Now, for the very first time, 5 of these beloved traditions have been brought to life on a brand new set of official £2 coins. Introducing the British Traditions £2 coin collection, a striking tribute to the quirks, customs and cultural spirit that define us. With clashing sticks, jingly bells and flowing ribbons, Morris dancing remains one of Britain's most iconic folk traditions. It was first recorded in the mid-15th century and was even performed by Henry VIII at court. Now, fun fact, Morris dancing was once so deeply rooted in local culture that many villages developed their own distinct style. Each spring, thrill seekers gather at Cooper's Hill in Gloucestershire for one of Britain's most daring and eccentric events: cheese rolling. A 9-pound wheel of double Gloucester is sent flying down a hill, reaching speeds of up to 70 miles an hour. Now, fun fact, the event is so fast-paced, the cheese often crosses the line well ahead of the competitors. On Shrove Tuesday, communities across Britain take part in a time-honoured tradition of pancake racing. Participants race through the streets flipping pancakes in frying pans, a charming blend of speed and skill. Now, fun fact, the oldest recorded race took place in 1445 in Olney, where legend has it a woman late for church ran out still clutching her frying pan. Celebrated each spring, maypole dancing brings colour and rhythm to village greens across the country. Its roots trace back to ancient fertility rites, and it remains a joyful symbol of seasonal renewal. Now, fun fact, historic maypoles could reach over 100 feet high, and some were even removed in the 17th century during Puritan rule because they were considered too extravagant. On the 5th of November, Britain lights up with bonfires and fireworks to mark Guy Fawkes Night, commemorating the failed gunpowder plot of 1605. It remains one of Britain's longest standing national traditions. Now, fun fact, the very first bonfires were lit on the night the plot was foiled, and a formal day of Thanksgiving was declared just months later in early 1606. The British Traditions £2 coin collection brings together 5 of Britain's most treasured customs in a beautifully presented set. Each coin has been struck to a superior Brilliant Uncirculated standard, ensuring a sharp, detailed finish far beyond that you'd find in circulation. From cheese rolling to Morris dancing, it's a celebration of the wonderfully weird and irresistibly British quirks and customs that set our culture apart. Available exclusively from the Westminster collection, this remarkable set offers collectors a unique way to honour Britain's living heritage. Secure yours today and celebrate tradition through the artistry of coinage.